Hello, welcome back to our financial and health wellness channel. Dion says hello and wishes you well. We all know the importance of maintaining a healthy lifestyle, but sometimes our busy schedules can make it hard to get all the nutrients we need. That's why today, we're introducing the new Life Shake, a complete meal replacement that is packed with all the essential vitamins and nutrients your body needs. The new Life Shake is a game changer in the world of meal replacements. It's packed with 20 grams of ultra-pure, non-GMO protein, with precise ratios of all 9 essential amino acids to support energy and satiety. This means that you'll feel full and satisfied after drinking it, without the added calories and unhealthy fats found in most traditional meals. In addition to the high-quality protein, the Life Shake also contains 24 essential vitamins and minerals to support heart, brain, immune, and overall health. These nutrients are essential for our body to function properly and to maintain good health. They also help to prevent illnesses and diseases, making the Life Shake a perfect addition to your diet. But that's not all. The new Life Shake is powered by leucine, which is an essential amino acid that plays a crucial role in building lean muscle, burning fat, and supporting metabolism. This means that the Life Shake can help you achieve your fitness goals faster and maintain a healthy weight. The Life Shake also contains 6 grams of dietary fiber and a proprietary prebiotic from an ancient grains blend to support digestive health and regularity. This is especially important for those who suffer from digestive issues, as it helps to improve gut health and promote regular bowel movements. And the best part? It has a new low-glycemic sweetener system, Reb-M, combined with 5 grams of natural sugarcane, making it a healthier option for those watching their sugar intake. With the new Life Shake, you can ensure that your body is getting all the nutrients it needs in a quick and easy way. Plus, it tastes great and can be customized to your liking. It's perfect for those who are always on the go or looking for a healthier meal option. You can make the Life Shake in many ways and customize it to your liking. You can add ice, fruit, and vegetables to make it taste even better. The possibilities are endless, and you can be creative with the ingredients you add to it. It's a fun and healthy way to experiment with different flavors and nutrients. The new Life Shake is easy to prepare. Just blend or shake 2 scoops in 8 ounces of your favorite dairy or dairy substitute beverage for a healthy meal replacement. It's perfect for those who are always on the go or looking for a quick and easy meal option. Head over to pws.shaklee.com/.comswellness to get your hands on the new Life Shake today and take the first step towards a healthier, happier you with the new Life Shake. Eat right, drink better. Thanks for watching.